Power is the first thing that stands out here. The MSI Aegis R2 AI gaming desktop is clearly built for users who want top-tier performance without the hassle of building a system from scratch. Everything about it is focused on speed, efficiency, and handling demanding workloads with ease. Starting with the processor, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285 brings serious capability to the table. It's optimized for modern computing, which means it can handle intense gaming sessions, heavy multitasking, and even AI-based tasks without breaking a sweat. Whether it's running multiple apps or pushing high-end software, performance stays consistent. On the graphics side, the GeForce RTX 5070 Ti delivers a premium experience. You get smooth gameplay, high frame rates, and detailed visuals across modern titles. Features like ray tracing add realistic lighting and reflections, while AI-driven enhancements help boost performance in supported games. It's a setup that feels fast and responsive in every scenario. The system is equipped with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, giving you plenty of room for multitasking. You can run demanding games, stream content, and keep several applications open without noticing any slowdown. It's built for users who expect their system to keep up no matter what they're doing. Storage is handled by a 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, which makes a big difference in everyday use. Boot times are quick, applications open instantly, and games load faster than traditional drives. It also gives you enough space to store large files, projects, and a full library of games. Cooling is managed through a well-designed air cooling system. It keeps temperatures under control during long sessions while maintaining reliability. The airflow inside the case is optimized to ensure consistent performance without unnecessary noise or complexity. The design leans into a modern gaming look without going overboard. It feels sharp and clean, making it suitable for both gaming setups and work environments. It's a balance that works well for different types of users. Connectivity options are solid, including USB Type-C and multiple ports for accessories. It's also VR-ready, which means you can jump into immersive experiences without needing additional upgrades. Running on Windows 11 Home, everything is ready right out of the box. The interface is modern, and compatibility with the latest applications and games is already built in. This desktop goes beyond gaming. It's a complete performance system that can handle streaming, editing, content creation, and more. For anyone looking for a powerful pre-built solution, this is a strong option that delivers both speed and reliability. If you want to learn more or pick one up, check the link in the description for the latest details and pricing.